The Ordinary's 100% organic rose hip seed oil, cold pressed, is one of my favorites that I use to lock in my moisture. I use this product at night after I put my water-based products on. Then I put this rose hip seed oil. I just want to say rose seed, but it's rose hip seed oil. I use it every night and put it on my skin for moisturization and to keep things just moisturized with all my other serums that I use. This product is 100% organic, cold pressed, which means it's one of the best. It's got some great ingredients in it, and it is it's ideal for once a day, high purity, sustainable source. There's so many benefits. This supports healthy skin. So many benefits from rose hip seed oil. I suggest you put it in your cart today.